रयत शिक्षण संस्था's online learning program. English Bal Bharti Standard 6. Students, today we will be covering chapter 2.6 Advise Customers. You must have seen ads, that is advertisement, on TV in many other places. Advertisements are given by owners of different companies to tell people about their products. Their aim is to make people buy those products. Students, you have seen ads on TV, in newspaper. These advertisements are given by different companies to tell people about their products. And what is the main purpose behind that? To make people buy those products. Advertisements are designed in such a way that people are impressed when they see them. They feel like buying the products, that is what the owners want. But is the advice in the ads always good for you? You must think about it carefully. There are so many advertisements you can see on TV, in newspaper, that all are good for us. You means everybody think about this. You must act like a wise customer and decide what to buy, how much to buy, and what not to buy. Here, one advertisement given which is related to crispy crunchy snack. What is that advertise? Feeling happy, crispy crunchy. Feeling sad, crispy crunchy. Feeling tired, crispy crunchy. Lost the match, crispy crunchy. Won the match, crispy crunchy. Day and night, crispy crunchy. Now and then, crispy crunchy. For you and me, crispy crunchy. Every time, crispy crunchy. Only for 5 rupees, get one pack free on 5. My teacher says. Now you can see the advice from the teacher. We see many types of chips, wafers, and other snacks in the market. We get them in attractive packets or pouches. These snacks are usually fried foods that contain a lot of salt and spices. They are good to taste but not so good for your health if you eat them all the time. Here we can see that so many chips, types of chips, wafers, other snacks are available in the market. And these snacks are usually fried foods and contain a lot of salt and spices, which one is not healthy for us. So we can't eat that all the time. Growing children need a balanced diet and nourishing diet that includes different types of cereals, pulses, fresh vegetables, fruits, nuts, milks, etc. Students, for growing children, what is the need? It's need balanced diet, nourishing diet for us. So what kind of diet we need? Cereals, pulses, fresh vegetables, fruits, nuts, milks, etc. Here, one more advertisement is given, which one is related to fairness cream. Didi Didi, look at this, my new dress. For the party, where is yours? No party for me. Bitya Rani, tap tap tap. My new shoes for the party. Where are yours? No party for me. Bitya Rani, ting ting ting. Choose the new bangles for the party. No party for me. What's the matter? Why you are sad? My skin is so dark. I feel so bad. No party for me. Is that all? Don't worry. Solve your problem with Hema Gauri. 5 days to fairness. Hema Gauri will make you skin shine. Be fair as a fairy with Hema Gauri. Rupees 10 off on every 100-gram tube or bottle. Hurry. Offer closes on 1st April. In this advertisement is related to fairness cream. My teacher says. Who says black is not beautiful? The color of your skin has nothing to do with your beauty. It's more important to be healthy, neat, and tidy if you want people to like your looks. You should eat well, exercise well, sleep well, and drink enough water to get a healthy, glowing skin. Never feel bad about the color of your skin or your natural looks. Be careful when you are try fairness cream, they may have side effects. The effect of the cream will last till as long as it is on your face. When you washed off, the effect is gone. If you want to look healthy or beautiful, what we have to do? We have to eat well, exercise well, sleep well, and drink enough water to get a healthy, glowing skin. So, advertisement is a form of marketing device used by the business houses to promote or sell their products. Advertisements are shown to convince customers that a particular product is the best. But we must remember not to get carried away by the advertisement. It is left to us whether to buy or not a particular product. So think wisely and decide. Hope concept clears to you.